Are you playing with him, Junior? I walked my whole property today. I read my I'm sorry, they don't want y'all to come around me. They're very protective. Thank you, dogs. Thank you. See, I got some bad dogs, and the other one ain't even here. Yeah, I got a donkey over here. They're protective of their mama. They chased you off, didn't they, Oreo? I'm sorry. Give me my napkins back. I need those in my sweat, for my sweat stuff. All right, guys. Bye, everybody.